Welcome to another video. I'm going to try to keep them rolling. I'm going to get out as much as I can. Hope everybody is doing fantabulous. We're coming into warmer days. Fish are going to start prepping for the spawn and eating up. So fishing should pick up. We're going to head out down here to Homestead Dam and see if we can catch a few fish and see what's going on in and around here. Yeah. Let's get out there and fish. Enough talking. Let's go and catch some fishes. Cool, let's go. It's noisy here, guys, next to the highway at Homestead Dam. Flippin' messy, and not the football player. Okay, let's give this Guggen swim bait a lekker go around here, see if we can find any big bass. I thought the camera was rolling when I did some budnu bashing through the back here, but came to a awesome little spot here. Looks promising. Another nice spot. Yeah, by the highway. Don't know how safe it is. I'd rather you guys come, a few of you. I do have John just up a couple of spots away from me here, but still, yeah, you got to keep yourself aware at all time in spots like this, guys. I don't recommend you coming here alone, that's for sure. There you go. There you go. And it's a good one. Oh yeah! Yes, please! Woo! That feels good. Look at that. Oh, huge, but a good fish nonetheless. Sheesh. Here we go, release. There she swims away. Okay, that was exciting. Wasn't big, but hard catching fish here at Homestead. I was here probably just before I got COVID on the kick boat 2 or 3 times, but for like 2.5 hour session, you know, nothing crazy. And each one of those sessions I only caught 1 fish, so it wasn't like it wasn't a great day. Seeing that my day's going a bit slow, yeah, I'll show you some of those catches quickly. finally got one and now he's in the grass. He's gonna come off that. Oh. If I still land this one, I don't know, I'll be surprised. And I did. Here we go. Sunset fishing. Day. Oh. First fish of the morning on the Gary Yamaka.
Meanwhile,
how's it? You catching anything?
I caught one small one on that side. Nothing yet, except for the little one.
Okay, yeah, I caught a 1 kilo that side, and I saw 1 or 2 swimming around, but it's slower. I don't know if it's just a little funny weather we had last night and now this, I don't know. Oh my goodness, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, this is a good fish. Hey, yo, baby. Hey? Yeah, I threw it. It was close there to the lilies. Look at that. She swallowed it. Maybe just go in an angle.
there we go.
Can you see it? Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, so there it beeps, 1.79. Okay, and then the release. You can come close. You can get a bit closer for that one, just that you see it. Oh, what a beautiful fish, eh? Yeah. Why do you guys keep them? You're gonna eat them? To your cat. Okay.
My cat loves that. I saw you caught a nice one though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good fish.
Yeah.
And the ones you guys caught, small ones, or what?
Almost has the cat.
Oh, little males.
We don't know what it is. We just catch. You get a cat. The cat must tell us.
I hope you don't take that many out, eh?
Sorry?
I said, I hope you don't take that many out.
No, what are you gonna do? So the cat will dive.
Yeah, no, because they're busy spawning now. So I mean, especially guys, we've seen guys keep females, full pregnant females, which is,
that's cat.
if you want fish for the next years, I mean, you need to let those go though. So as you guys saw, managed to find a nice keeper now at the end with the Guggen swim bait. That was pretty cool. I've been here about what, 9, and it is now 1:15, so a few hours of fishing. Only managed a 1.1 and then 1.7, very shy of 1.8. Yeah, not seeing too many fish swimming around yet. I think the ones that I caught are roamers. Well, the first one I caught I think was there right by the lily, so that could have been around a nest, but this one was a roamer. I mean, we'd seen it swimming around, so I threw the swim bait and waited for it to take. Anywho, hot day and fun, quick Thursday fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you did, and be a subscriber if you're not. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.